Hey guys, from today we are going to restart our JavaScript journey. Okay, so we are going to jump inside our index.html file, and this is the file where I'm going to write my first JavaScript code. Okay, and this is the string that I'm going to write. Okay, so inside our script tag I'm writing this particular console.log, and inside our log there's a string. Okay, so let's say my first log. Okay, and after writing this particular thing I have to go to the browser, and I need to inspect this browser. Okay, because we are going to see our code inside our console. Okay, so it will going to pop up inside our console, and whatever the code you are writing right here, it will going to show inside your console. So once you inspect it, you are going to see this developer tool, and you have to go to the console. As you can see, this is the string that I already written inside my browser. You can also use your console in order to write JavaScript code. So this is the alert that I have just written. Okay, and what I'm saying that you can you can test your code by by getting inside the console, and you can write whatever you want. So let's say if you want to change the color of your website, you can come right here and just target that particular thing. And if you want to change the heading, and you can easily do that by using JavaScript. I mean, JavaScript is much more powerful than you ever could imagine. Okay, so let's say if I target this particular heading cyber initiation JS, then I can easily target it by using query selector. Okay, and I'm going to target it, and you are going to see like whatever the changes I want to make it. Okay, I can manipulate this particular string, whatever the heading I'm having. Okay, so suppose that if anybody is having a large website, and you don't want to change your main code, but there's a code that you want to test. Then what you are going to do, you have to come to your search console, and there's a, like, suppose you are having a JavaScript code and you want to test it. So what you are going to do, you are going to write all your code in this way, and that particular code will going to change. And you can easily see that I have just written this particular code, and it override this particular heading. But I can tell you that this is the heading, but it didn't change inside my main code. Okay, so index.html will going to be same. You are just testing your code. So most of the times we test our code inside our console. Okay, if we want to see some changes. Okay, you can also use your console as a calculator, and just like this I'm using it. Okay, you can also perform some of other tasks. So stay tuned with me, and we are going to cover the whole documentation along with me. Bye bye, take care.